Hello and welcome again. So today is COBIA day. I just went fishing early in the morning. Mommy didn't come. She's not going to be coming for the next. I think you will not see her fishing for the next maybe 2-3 months or something like that. So I went early in the morning, and I was fishing by myself. If you look at the video that was done earlier before this one, you're gonna see me fishing alone on the boat. So I caught a big cobia, which was the first time I caught cobia. Right? And actually the first time I caught cobia in my life, and cobia has become like my personal best. So this is the cobia. When I caught it, it was about 8.8 kilos. I didn't expect I was gonna catch something like that. So the weight now is roughly about 8.2. So now we're gonna do clean and cook. Cobia has got a very tough head. I mean, if you knock on that, this thing is really tough, and it's got these pads in the mouth. See that? That it uses to grab the fish. The bait fish, and the teeth are pointing at the back, so if you pull it you can actually see the end of the fish. So the head is really, really tough. So what we're gonna do here is just turn it on the side. I'm gonna cut off that so you can separate the head from the rest of the. I've never seen this being done. This is just So if there's anybody with a much better way of doing this, please comment below and tell me what I could have done differently from what I'm doing now. I'm noticing also that I didn't bleed this fish in the excitement of catching. I didn't bleed it. This is where I missed it the first time. So again, just behind the front. I have been wanting to eat cobia for a long time, and I think this is my gift for today. Not the first time. It felt like I had caught the ground or something, and then the ground started moving, and then I thought it was a shark, and then I thought, okay, I think it's a grouper. Even when it started fighting and running, I thought it was you're gonna see it on the video. So that is the head. Let's see how big the head is. Just the head by itself. 0. Whoa! The head by itself is 1.74. There. There's no other way of cleaning this one except doing fillet. Yeah, the meat is tough, which is good.
And we have audience here. Mama and Tatay.
I don't know how good this is gonna be. That's, as always, we always want to see what were these fish eating. So this is the gut. As always, we always want to see what were these fish eating, and that always gives an idea of how you can catch them next time. So, whoa! It ate a small shark. It ate what is this? Ladyfish. That's why there's this black stuff. Look at that. Cuttlefish was one hungry fish, so it had just swallowed. It had just swallowed a cuttlefish, a small cuttlefish. It had a baby shark, and it had also swallowed
Ladyfish.
And there's something else in here. I'm hoping. See, I kept on hoping there is no snake. The thing that is missing is the bait that I used. So I caught this fish using this bait, but it was a live bait. So I kept hoping that inside here I was gonna see the bait. And if you look at this is still intact. So it ate this one today, and it ate this one today as well. Angry fish. I've had a number of people say that you can only catch cobia using eel, or there's some other special fish that people say you can use to catch cobia. I don't think that is true at all. I think cobia will bite on anything. I don't even have to prove it. If you check inside the guts, we have a small baby shark. We have
Cuttlefish.
a cuttlefish, and there's even a ladyfish inside. I caught this fish using jesh. So that means all those people who say you can only catch using eel or black-tailed jig or something like that, that's not so true. This fish, I think they'll eat anything as long as they're hungry. Ta-da! So that's the, this is big.
Yeah.
So that's the one side. Now I'm gonna do the other. I'm getting better, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that. There's some meat, but it's not as bad as
Before.
Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm wearing my apron which mommy bought so I don't mess up my clothes.
Good job.
Of the size of this fish, you can't remove the skin for the whole meat, for the whole side, so you just cut into two halves for each side. The top side is bent. Bottom side.
Wow.
Am managed to take out the skin. So this is side A. Take out all this blood, all the areas of coagulated blood, because it's going to give us a fishy taste, like some people would say.
For the sashimi and meat for the ceviche.
Process of making ceviche and sashimi, I think it's really important to open one of these.
One of the beer.
Vitamins.
Yes,
Yeah.
for inspiration. I wanted to see or test. Okay. Vinegar, not too much. Soy sauce. Close that. So the idea is to make sure that everything is mixed with the garlic, the soy sauce, and the vinegar. So that's done. Put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. We say when you do this, make sure you don't have cuts in your hands, but today I have so many cuts. So ceviche making is going to be a painful process. Alright, so this one is finished. We're just going to put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes or so. So the salad is in there for 15 minutes. The fish is also going to be there for 15 minutes.
Many minutes later.
Sashimi.
Sashimi,
And
then
ceviche.
Alright, so today we prepared ceviche. I mean, we've been making a lot of ceviche lately. So this is ceviche using COBIA, the COBIA that we cooked today, and then the sashimi also using the COBIA. This is very nice plating, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Best effort.
So today we have
Tatay as part of our tasting.
I taste it.
start with the ceviche.
Ceviche, this one.
Because you remember last time when we did the grouper ceviche, we said it was chewy, right?
Yeah.
And the
Grouper
other
is not really nice for. It was nice, but it was chewy for ceviche.
first bite. How is it?
Okay, delicious.
Yeah.
Compared to
Compared to grouper, this one is much better for ceviche. And the taste, it's not too salty.
Are you saying that just to make me happy because I cooked it?
No!
Oh, you actually-
Remember last time I told you grouper is not nice for ceviche.
Okay, so this one is much better for ceviche.
The meat, the COBIA is nice.
And taste the sashimi.
Tatay.
What do you think about the ceviche?
It's okay. It's nice.
How was your first time testing ceviche on COBIA?
So it's Tatay's first time to try ceviche.
So, as always, we have tester number 3. Tester number 3 always shows up. Can you give him a ceviche? Let's see. Last time when you gave him, Please spit it out. What,
Wait,
let's see what he thinks about this one.
This one. But he likes that. He was just trying to reach the cherry tomato.
So nice too.
It's his first time.
It tastes yummy. So nice.
Daddy, this one is really nice. Your own version of sashimi, actually.
Yeah, so this one we're just trying to mix it up and see how it works.
This one is really nice with the pickle.
So your verdict is the
For me, I like this one.
ceviche is much better on COBIA.
For COBIA, I like sashimi. But this one is also nice. But compare with the
If you compare that and what was it?
Grupa.
And Grupa.
this one is much
And then we
better.
also did another one, which was
Croca.
Coca.
This one,
one
COBIA.
is-
Yeah, much better. But when it comes to the sashimi and ceviche, I like sashimi.
Now you'd have to compare it with, to make it fair, you would have to compare it with tuna.
Yeah, next time. This is really nice. Do you want to try?
Okay, thank you so much for watching. So like we said, we were going to do ceviche with another fish. When we did this with Grupa, it didn't really come out nicely. It was way too chewy. So today, COBIA seems to be a much better tasting fish for ceviche. It's not too stringy, right?
Try it, yeah. This one.
No, ceviche.
Ceviche.
Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and until we meet again on the next testing video,